Dear students, I am Loganayaki, working as a teacher in Trinity Academy Namakkal. Now we are going to discuss about 8th GK, chapter 16. In this chapter you have to study about the Hollywood actors, legendary Hollywood actors. The first question is, this is a British actress won an Oscar for her adorable role in Roman Holiday. She spent her last years as a goodwill ambassador for UNICEF. The answer is Audrey Hepburn. The second question is, superstar of cowboy movies, he has bagged awards for directing films such as Unforgiven and Million Dollar Baby. The answer is Clint Eastwood. The third question is, the first African American actor to win an Oscar. His famous films include To Serve with Love, Sidney Poitier. The fourth question is, she was the first Hollywood actress to be paid an unprecedented $1 million fee to star in the epic film Cleopatra. The answer is Elizabeth Taylor. The fifth question is, this Broadway musical star is best known for her roles as Mary Poppins and Maria Von Trapp in The Sound of Music. The answer is Julie Andrews. The next question is, this legendary Hollywood actor won multiple awards including 2 Oscars. He is famous for his role in the crime drama The Godfather. The answer is Marlon Brando. The next task is, you can identify some clues are given in your book. You can identify the famous film directors. The first question is, he is from New Zealand and his most well-known work is the Lord of the Rings trilogy. The answer is Peter Jackson. The second question is, some of the best work are Jurassic Park, Slender List, Jaws, and the sci-fi flick E.T. the Extraterrestrial. The answer is Steven Spielberg. The third question is, he is credited with the top 2 highest grossing movies of all time, Titanic and Avengers: Infinity War. Titanic won an unprecedented 11 Oscars. The answer is James Cameron. The fourth question is, renowned for his suspense and horror films such as Psycho, The Birds, and North by Northwest. He always made a silent appearance in his own films. The answer is Alfred Hitchcock. Next, fifth question is, one of the director of a silent film era and the star of his own films, he made classics such as The Gold Rush, The Kid, The Modern Times, and the greater dictator of a spoon on Adolf Hitler? The answer is Charlie Chaplin. The sixth question is, he was distinguished British filmmaker who made spectacular epics such as Lawrence of Arabia, The Bridge on the River Kwai, The Passage to India, A Dr. Zhivago. The answer is David Lean. The next task or chapter is measuring instruments. Few instruments are given in your textbook. Only few. Instrument means you have to measure height, earthquake, or few examples are given. The first question is, an altimeter is used for measuring altitude. Altitude means height, measure the height. Then second question is, a seismograph is used to measure and record the strength of an earthquake shock. Then third one, an anemometer measures wind speed. And fourth one is, galvanometer measures electric currents of a small magnitudes. And fifth one is, a lactometer is used for testing the purity of milk. Sixth one, an odometer indicates the distance covered by a car or any other vehicle. Next one, a rain gauge records the rainfall at a particular place. Next question is, a speedometer measures the curvature of surfaces. Ninth question is, a photometer is an instrument for measuring the intensity of light. The 10th question is, a thermostat is an instrument used to regulate temperature at a particular level. Next, 11th question is, a chronometer is commonly used to measure time accurately. The next question is, a radar uses radio waves to detect the direction and speed of an approaching plane. Next question is, a stroboscope is used to illuminate a moving body very briefly at frequent intervals in order to study periodic motion. The next question is, a crucigraph is an instrument that measures growth in plants. Next chapter is knowledge center. In this chapter you have to study few institution. Institution means laboratory or research center are given. You can identify the city or place name. The first one is, Physical Research Laboratory is situated in Ahmedabad. The second one is, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering is situated in Uttarkasi. Then third question is, Tata Institute of Social Science is situated in Mumbai. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose National Institute of Sports, Patiala. Next, fifth question is, Film and Television Institute of India is situated in Pune. Next, sixth question is, Lal Bahadur Shastri, National Academy of Administration, Missouri. Seventh question is Indian Institute of Science is situated in Bangalore. Eighth question is English and Foreign Languages University is situated in Hyderabad. In ninth question is National School of Drama is located in New Delhi. 10th one is Baba Atomic Research Center is located in Mumbai. Next chapter, some clues are given. You can identify the short answer, short word. Short word means, for example, selfie, meme. These are an example. Hashtag. Few lines are explain the few lines. You can identify the short word. So these are called busy words. The first one is a small digital image or icon used to express an idea or emotion in electronic messages and web pages. Emoji. The second question is a photograph that one takes of oneself typically with a smartphone. The answer is selfie. The third one is a word or phrase preceded by small simple symbol used on a social media, websites and applications to identify messages on a specific topic. The answer is hashtag. The fourth question is the action of spoiling a photograph by unexpectedly appearing in the camera field of views as picture is taken. Typically a prank. The answer is photo booming. The fifth question is the time at which television viewership is expected to be at its highest. The answer is prime time. The sixth question is using correct news to advertise a product on a social media. News jacking. Next, seventh question is an idea mostly humorous in nature that spread among people rapidly via the internet in the form of images or videos. Memes. Answer is memes. An acronym of you only live once. It tells you to make the most of a present moment. YOLO. A tool to judge the popularity of a particular TV channel. TRP. Obtaining personal information such as passwords and credit card detail of a user through fraudulent email. Phishing. The next chapter is some continents are given. You have to identify the mountain ranges. The first one is Atlas Mountain is found in Africa. Rocky Mountains are found in North America. Athens is located in South America. Ural Mountain in Europe and Asia. Karakoram Range is located in Asia. Alps is located in Europe. MacDonald Range is located in Australia. Stennell Range is located in Antarctica. The next chapter is the name of a highest peak given in a continent. You can identify the name of a mountain. First one, Australia. The answer is Mount Kosciuszko. Second one is South America, Mount Acanco. Third one, Antarctica, Vinson Massif. Fourth one, North America, Denali. And fifth one, Europe, Mount Elbrus. Sixth one, Mount Everest. Asia, located Asia, Mount Everest. Seventh one, Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay students, thank you.